हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, माय नेम इज भवानी। समस्त को आम चैनल साइड स्टडी क्लासेस को स्वागत। तो आज तुम मान छुआ आम जनरल अवेयरनेस रो प्रैक्टिस सेट 16 नहीं कि आछे एवं सेतरे आम बहुत ही इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, बहुत ही मजादार क्वेश्चन करबा। जो मान को भी आम क्लास रो प्रीवियस सेगमेंट गुडी को प्रीवियस क्वेश्चंस गुडी को भल लागि छि तो सेतरे कोनोसी प्रकार भी डाउट अछि तल तुम माने मते कमेंट सेक्शन रे पचारि परिबे, नहले अपन माने हला मते कोथरे कांटेक्ट कर परिबे ना 7894072404 नंबर रे मध्ये कांटेक्ट करि परिबे। एवरी एग्जामिनेशन को जदि कोनोसी मोटिवेशन रिलेटेड एवरीथिंग ते आपण माने हला कोन हेल्प नहीं परिबे। ता सहित जो माने को भी हम क्लास भल लागि से माने हम क्लास को लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर कर दियंतु जा फले हमको मोटिवेशन मिलिबा, हमें आउरी नुवा नुवा वीडियोस आपण मान को पई आनी परिबा। ठीक अछि, बुझि पारले। तो नेक्स्ट हला छुआ, तो आज रे प्रथम क्वेश्चन देखिबा कौन कहछि व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज वन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ यूजीसी। यूजीसी रो ऑब्जेक्टिव कोन छ? एथि मध्यरु छ यूजीसी रो ऑब्जेक्टिव कोन? टू रिव्यू इन सर्विस ट्रेनिंग ऑफ द आईएएस ऑफिसर, टू प्रोवाइड द टेक्निकल असिस्टेंस टू द स्कूल एंड यूनिवर्सिटीज, टू कोऑर्डिनेट, determine and maintain the standard of university education, to provide counseling, okay, counseling service for university graduates। कोनटा होछ यार राइट आंसर? प्रत्येक क्वेश्चन बाय निश्चित मात्रा रे आपण मान को 5 सेकंड समय देबी क्वेश्चन तापर ऑप्शन पढि सारला परे। तो सुथि मै तुम माने समस्त विविडली ऑप्शन एवं क्वेश्चन को सुनंतु, तापर निश्चित मात्रा रे कमेंट सेक्शन रे आंसर दियंतु। आई होप तुम माने भी सुनुथबो एवं निश्चित मात्रा रे दोथिबो। ठीक अछि। Which of the following is one of the objective of UGC? Option A, to review and service training of the IAS officer, to provide the technical assistance to school and university, to coordinate, determine and maintain standard of the university education, to provide the counseling service for university graduates। कोटा होचा? Option C is the right answer, to coordinate, the determine and maintain standard of university education। Okay, the Indian Institute of Teacher Education IITE, established in 2010, is the brainchild of which of the mane following mane kon person? श्री नरेंद्र मोदी, श्री चंद्रबाबू नायडू, श्री राजीव गांधी एंड श्रीमती ममता बनर्जी। तो कौन हम ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर, नरेंद्र मोदी। ओके, नरेंद्र मोदी इज द राइट आंसर। Which of the following is the unique system of school specially tasked with the discovering talented children in rural areas of India and imparting quality of education to them? केंद्र विद्यालय, जवाहरलाल नवोदय विद्यालय, आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल एंड गुरुकुल पाठशाला। Which of the following is the unique system of school specially tasked with the discovering talented children in rural areas of India and imparting quality education to them? कोटा होचा? जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय। Surgeon scheme of education is also known as report by the National Advisory Council of Education, report by the Central Board of Secondary Education, scheme of post-war education development in India, scheme of pre-war educational reconstruction in India wound। कोटा बच्चा? स्कीम ऑफ पोस्ट वार एजुकेशन डेवलपमेंट इन इंडिया। ठीक अच्छी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो, which of the following academic branches is not the part of District Institute for Education and Training DIET? Option A, socially useful productive work SUPW, pre-service teacher education PSTE, work experience WE and educational technology ET। कौनटा बच्चा? which of the following academic branches is not the part of District Institute of So District Institute for Education and Training, DIET. Socially useful productive work is the right answer. Which commission in India, okay, was established in 1979 by the Janata Party government under the Prime Minister of Morarji Desai with the mandate to identify the socially and educationally backward classes? Kothari Commission, Secondary Education Commission, Mandal Commission and Subramaniam Commission, the committee. Which one is the correct answer? Jald. Option C is the right answer. Mandal Commission. Okay. Mandal Commission is the right answer. Which of the following organization was established by All India Council for Technical Education AICTE in 1994 and operated as an autonomous body since 2010? So option A, Universal Grant Commission. Option B, National Assessment and Accreditation Council. Option C, National Board of Accreditation. And option D, Jawaharlal Navodaya Vidyalaya. Which one is the correct answer? कोनटा मध्यरु ठीक उत्तर हेबो? Which of the following organization was established by the All India Council for Technical Education AICTE in 1994 and operated as an autonomous body since 2010? कोटा बच्चा अरे National Board of Accreditation. Okay, National Board of Accreditation is the right answer. The National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration, NIEPA, मन रखो, the National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration, NIEPA, established by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, is primary organization dealing with capacity building and research in planning and the management of education in India. भलो भाबरे आउथरे क्वेश्चन टा पडुची बुझो. The National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration, NIEPA, established by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, is a primary organization dealing with capacity building and research in planning and management of education in India. BRIC nations, Scandinavian countries, South Asian countries and Commonwealth country. Which one is the correct answer? एटा करैथिली छुआ South Asian countries. South Asian countries. NPTEL is an initiative by the 7 IITs. एटा तो करा आइतला ए क्वेश्चन टा बरा रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन. IITs and IISc for creating course contents in engineering and science. What does NPTEL? Okay, NPTEL कहाँ पर स्टैंड करे? बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सेगमेंट रो क्वेश्चन एटा. National Program on Teaching Enriched Learning, National Program on Teach Training, Employment Learning, Employed Learning, National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning, and National Program on Technology Extended Learning. Which one is the correct answer, sir? National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. Okay, National Program of Technology Enhanced Learning, NPTEL, is an initiative by the 7 IITs and IIScs for creating the course content of the engineering and science for both course. What does the NPTEL stand for? Okay. Who was the chairman of NEP 2020 drafting committee? एटा बहुत ही बढ़िया क्वेश्चन टा पचार लच्छा, बहुत ही बढ़िया क्वेश्चन टा. जे एनईपी नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 2020 ड्राफ्टिंग कमिटी चेयरमैन किए थे छुआ हु इज द चेयरमैन कालिया कालिया सावादियो सिवान कैलास कैलास वदिवो सिवान डॉक्टर के कस्तूरी रंजन रंजन प्रोफेसर यशपाल शर्मा और प्रोफेसर जी राजगोपाल बहुत ही कॉस्टली नेम है Dr. K. Kasturi Rajan is the chairman of the NEP 2020 drafting committee. Newton is the unit of force, momentum, acceleration due to gravity and velocity. Newton is the unit of force, momentum, acceleration due to gravity and velocity. Newton is the unit of dash. Force. Easy question. Decibel. এটা তো ভাই সমস্ত জানিথিব intensity of sound से related. The tree which sends down roots from the branches to soil is known as oak, pine, banyan, palm. Banyan. Okay, banyan is the right answer. Electric bulb filament is made of copper, aluminium, lead, tungsten. Electric bulb filament is made of. এটা তো বহুত ইজি ছুয়া টংস্টন সিটি রে বহুত থর এই কোশ্চেনটা পড়ে সিটি রে ছুয়া বহুত থর এই কোশ্চেনটা পড়ে brass get discolored in air because of the presence of which of the following gases in air oxygen hydrogen sulfide hydrogen sulfide carbon dioxide and nitrogen कोटा अब छो यार राइट आंसर जल्दी कोटा अब छो यार सही उत्तर Brass get discolored in the air because of the presence of which of the following gas in area? Sir, air. अरे hydrogen sulfide. इतने easy question. Who killed the last Mauryan king and founded the Sunga dynasty? Bimbisara, Pushamitra, Kanishka and Nagarjuna. बहुत बढ़िया क्वेश्चन Who killed the Mauryan king and founded the Sunga dynasty? Pushamitra. Okay, next question देखो. The last Mauryan king was killed by Pushamitra, who then went on to found the Sunga dynasty. Pushamitra Sunga was a general in the Mauryan Empire and rose to power, assassinating the last Mauryan ruler, Brihadrata Maurya. Who among the following was the last king of Somavamshi dynasty? Somavamshi dynasty ro last king chiechwa. Karnadev, Udyakta Kesari, Bhimaratha and Janmajay II. Karnadev is the right answer. Karnadev. Okay. Karnadev was not a last king of the Somvamshi dynasty. Karnadev is the notable ruler of the Chalukya dynasty of the Kalyani, which burst in the according to the Dravidian style of temple architecture. It's a very important question. Very important. City Raspare. The part of the temple where the image of the chief deity was placed in called Vihira Mandapa, Gopuram and Garbhagriha. So according to the Dravidian style of the temple architecture, the part of the temple where the image of the chief deity was placed in the Garbhagriha. Okay, Garbhagriha. Option D is the right answer. Which of the following book was written by the Kalidas? Padmavat, Panchatantra, Abhijana Shakuntalam, and कौन अष्ट माने अष्टधाई ओके अष्टधाई एटा तो समस्ते कहि परियो अभिजान शकुंतलम बा अभिज्ञान शकुंतलम ओके which of the following patronists are the Amravati school of sculpture Kushanas, Satavahanas, Sungas and Chalukyas. Option B, Satavahana is the right answer. Okay, Satavahana. Amravati school of sculpture was the patronized by the Satavahanas. The Satavahana were a dynasty that ruled a major part of the southern and the central India for the 1st century BCE to the 3rd century CE. Clause 43 of the Charter Act 1813 of the British Parliament concerned law and order situation in India, education in India, foreign policy and trade relation in India, and inflation of Indian resigns. Option B, education in India in 1813. Charter Act total 4टा आस्तिला 1793 रे प्रथम Charter Act तापरे 1813 एटा हला सेकंड Charter Act 1833 थर्ड 1854 हला फोर्थ ओके तो 1813 रे एजुकेशन ऑफ इंडिया विषय रे कहैतिला. Which of the following statement is correct about the President of India? Addressing session of Parliament after each general election, addressing first session of each year, address every session of Parliament, never address Parliament. एटा बोधे कोटा आबोछा पूरा जाय एटा पूरा एई थर जनरल इलेक्शन को जे फॉलो करथिबो एटा रे आंसर जे भी जाने नी कहूछ मु जे भी जाने नी एटा निश्चित मात्रा रे कहि परिबो जतबे जनरल इलेक्शन परे प्रथमे पार्लियामेंट एड्रेस के करंती प्रेसिडेंट करंती. What is an advance grant made by the Parliament pending regular passage of the budget called? Appropriation bill, vote on account, vote on credit, and scheduled commercial banks. Option B, vote on account. Okay. Quite. The responsibility of preparation of electoral rolls rests with Election Commission, state government, parliament and local. The responsibility of preparation of electoral roll rests माने electoral roll विषय किए करिवो election commission ही करिवो ता छडा केही करि परिबे नाही. Which of the following function falls under the advisory jurisdiction of election commission? एटा तुम मन को पई होमवर्क स्क्रीनशॉट मारो वो कि हबो रिव्यू ऑफ election to the parliament and state legislature, post election disqualification of sitting member of parliament and state legislature, regulates political parties and registers them for the begin eligible to contest election and suspending the candidates who fail to submit their election expenses account timely. Go ahead. Check your answer of jurisdiction of election commission. Okay. तो एटा थिला तुम मान को पई छ लास्ट क्वेश्चन. तो जो मान को भी हम क्वेश्चन बा आगम सेगमेंट भल लागछि ताले तुम माने लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करो जा फले हमको मोटिवेशन मिलबा हमें और नुवा नुवा क्लासेस तुम मान को पई आनी परिबा. पाखरे थियो बेल नोटिफिकेशन आइकन को ऑन करो एवं हमर एवरी वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन तुम माने इजीली पाई परियो. थैंक यू. जय जगन्नाथ. सी यू अगेन इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास.